Hello everybody. Today in this video demonstration, I'm going to introduce you my new program named Box. As the name might sound similar to you, like boxes. We have boxes lying everywhere around us, and the main purpose of boxes can be putting things in the boxes, or we can keep certain things in that, and all the stuff we can do. From that only I have got inspired and I have made this program. Actually, if I talk in terms of computer, then Box is a program that allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously. Not multitasking, it's not something like multitasking, but when you are clicking on that one file, many programs will open. Means, like, if you are a programmer, or if you are a programmer, in that case, if you are opening, suppose, Visual Studio, then it must then as a programmer, I think that you will be opening the Chrome also, because you will have to check about the references and all that stuff. And moreover, if you are a business person also, you may have to open several different files together, and this may happen every time. So, and the repetitive process is what we can say exhaustive. It makes us exhaustive when we are doing like that, and also irritates us. Rather than that, this program is made to make this process a little easier. This is just a better version, and I am developing the GUI, as well as some improving the program's quality. I'm making this video demonstration so that you people can tell me that what is the fault, or where should I improve. And this is my first version. Now, first of all, to download, when below I have given the link for downloading. In that, when you go, then this will be boxcreator.zip, and from this you can click on download button. This will download this program into your computer. Now click on desktop. Sorry, it's mine, I'm very sorry. In this means when you have the downloaded, then there will be a zip file called box creator. From that, click on box creator, boxcreator.exe. First of all, you must read the instructions.txt. This is very important. From this, you will get all the information about the box, and if you have got any crash reports or anything, that you can directly send me the link log on my email ID, which has been mentioned here, this one. And now let's continue with it. Now double click on this boxcreator.exe. This is a setup basically that will be installing the box creator program. Box cannot be directly what we can say put, because not one box, but there will be multiple boxes which you have to work. I'll be showing you how this works. At first it may seem a little bit confusing and all that, but later on it will become simple. One thing to remember in this is that whenever you are installing this program, remember not to install it on your root drive, that is on C. That is because of some administrative privileges that I have not put to it. You cannot install it. So what I am doing is I am installing it on my E, and I am naming it box creator. You can put a space also, and it will say that normally it will say this, and then start. Once the complete program is installed, you will have to install the second program, that is box setup. Box setup, I will tell you what is the main purpose of this. Here is the box setup. You have to click on yes if UAC comes, and in this also you have to select E, but remember not to put it in the same directory as box creator is. Rather, you can name it in separate way, a box you can say. Basically, you are installing this as it is only a reference or an alias for the box creator. This thing which you are installing will not be used by you at all. Its copies or its alias will be created. For that, there is a linker program in box creator, which I will be showing you now. Next, and exit. Now click on box creator. This will open it up. In this, first of all, you have to select the box exe path, that is the reference or the alias the program that we had installed. Its exe file we need to get. It's not the setup file, but the installation file, which you can find on C. and here is the box folder which was created just now, and in that you can select box.exe. Yes, box.exe. Click on this button, and here you can change the name of your box. Suppose you want a box consisting of Visual Studio and Chrome. That is, see, it is usually the scenario that whenever we are opening a like IDE program or something like that for programming purposes, then it will be clear that we will be using internet at some point, because we will need references and all that stuff. So in that case, we will have to again and again open Chrome, and if Chrome is not there on this, what we say, a taskbar, then it creates much more problem, because you have to go to search and this type Chrome and all that stuff happens. So in that case, program this box is a very good program for this purpose. You can name it bsnchrome.exe. Now you have to give the directory path. The directory path is actually where your box will reside. The box should reside on the desktop, because whenever you will be going to the desktop and clicking on this, and inside that when you will be clicking the program, all the programs which you have listed inside the box should automatically come. So in that case, now you can give the new folder name as same vs and Chrome. Okay, and check to include a custom icon, folder icon. This is only necessary if you want an icon like this. If you don't want it, it's not a problem. Otherwise, a folder icon will come. Now click on build. Actually, I'm including this. Press on OK 2 times. Now it will start building. Now click on browse folder and get this one. Its name in this folder browser dialog, VSN Chrome. Click on OK button and just click on add icon. It will automatically, from the directory where you have installed your box creator program, it will automatically get the icon. Want to put a folder description in this? You can do it. Create icon assigned to a folder. Actually, the icons been not changing because of the read-only property and the administrative privileges that have been applied to this. This has been a great problem for me. I'm trying to solve it. This is actually I have sourced this program from somewhere. So once you click, remember that you have to click on that close button. When you click on that close button, you will get a log that box creation successful. Once this comes, it means that your box is now ready. You can reset and rebuild, or you can click again on the build. Don't worry, it will just put. Once again, I'm showing nothing will happen as such. See, here you can see that actually the icon has been changed, but I told you that due to some administrative privileges problems, this is happening. It should change on your systems. If it is not, then please tell me. Now you have to click on close, or either this one, but you have to close this dialog, otherwise my program will not be able to generate. It works on a linker, actually, a compiler designated technology. Now when you have done this, click on close button. Build completed has come. Now what you have to do is, now your VSS Chrome and come. In this, there will be 3 files. One will be VSN Chrome, one will be proglist.box, list of bath.box. These are not meant for you. These are what we can say the files that are used by this box, and this is only the main reason that it has been kept in a folder. I'm trying to develop the version in which these both will be present within VSN Chrome only, so there will be no problem of having extra folders within your desktop and changing the icons. And my next version would possibly support that. When you click on this, you get a GUI, user interface. Sometimes this happens. Now clear. In this, you have 3 options. One is run programs, one is configure list, and one is about. About, that it's telling about the beta release by Gopi Krishna Mena. Configure list, see, in this list box your programs will be there. I will show you how this works. You click on configure list. It will lead you to a configure window. where for now this may not matter you much. Click on this browse button. Inside this you have to get the program's path. In this giving it here. Now when I go down, I want Chrome to be there. In this, add new. The chrome.exe has been added. Here when you are entering the file name, you can do this also, any type of file. Now if I am giving like this movie maker shortcut or whatever it is, you click on open movie maker.exe. you can name it to some other also, like video editor. I have named it video editor. The program is intelligent enough to also map your this name with the path that has been given. And don't worry that the program may get corrupt if you change it. It can be changed also, like chrome.exe can be changed to browser.exe or whatever. Click on add new button. And similarly any type, like I'm adding an icon also now. Here it is my Adobe Reader 9. Actually it is a shortcut made by them itself, so screader.ico. this is an icon file. So it visualizes like a real box only. In a real box you can put everything, but the main difference between that box and this box is that in this the items are kept in a, what we can say, a proper manner or proper order. Now when you have done this, click on the close button as usual, and see it comes on your main program. If you click on run programs, so it starts executing all of the programs. I'll be showing it much more clearly. Now please look at it. Run programs, your icon file open, your movie maker open, and your Chrome opened. So now you might have understood what is the main purpose of box. A box, what we can say, takes your program as a list and executes them together. So this can be very much useful for you. Now all these have been opened. Now the thing is, suppose you want to remove this icon file. You don't want that this icon file should come again and again. You can click on configure list. You can click on an independent what we can say list box item and click on delete path. It will delete the path. If you click on delete all, it will delete all of them together. It happens, it is certainly useful in those cases only when I say in those cases in which there are too many number. Theoretical limit is 5000 in this list box, and sorry, infinite, but only 5000. Practically I have seen that only 5000 items were coming in this. Now I'm going over here. In this, see, these both are only there. Parallelly it updates. Now when you click run programs, your chrome.exe and movie maker will only start. The icon file will not be starting now. Now what I will do is I will close it and I've just refreshed it. Now when I go back next time to open this, what I have to do is just this and press enter button. Automatically both programs are opened. There is no need to click on this button. You have to just press your enter button. Automatically they will be opened. And one more thing to note, if you click on one of them, it will change to run program. You can double click it in order to open a single program, that is picking one item from the box. Here if I click only video editor.exe, movie maker will open, and you can lose your focus and then run programs again. Move aside and press enter and it will automatically open. And once again, if you go to configure list and you remove this one too, you can do this stuff. So this was my box program. Mainly the program is under experimental mode only. It will run on most of the systems with no problems. And if any of the crash reports occur, as I said before, please mail it on to my ID, and I expect that it will be a good program for everyone and everyone will be using this program. I know that the GUI is not that good enough, but I'm trying to improve it. I've just started with the program, and it took me some considerable amount of time writing the linker for this. So, and also I will be uploading the source code after some time, once my program is, what I can say, a very stable version is released. Thank you for watching my video, and please click on the link given below in order to download this program. Thank you.